Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about measuring correctly. Before you start, make sure you have the following tools. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a pencil and notepad, and potentially a stud finder. Our curtains, blinds and shutters will attach to most surfaces. For curtains, wall studs and ceiling battens are by far the easiest to attach to, and the best way to find them is by using a stud finder. For walls, move the stud finder to locate your studs. For ceiling battens, grab your ladder and then run your stud finder over the ceiling area, like this, to locate your battens. For blinds and shutters, it's easiest to attach them to wooden window frames and wall studs. However, you can drill into plaster for all our products as long as you use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Now you're almost ready to measure. When providing your details, please remember to make sure that you measure in millimeters and double check all your measurements. Clearly specify which are width and drop measurements, and if you're measuring windows, please make sure that you measure every single one of them, as they may have slight variations that can prevent your DIYBlinds products from fitting perfectly. It's also really important that you provide exact details, and you don't need to make any deductions because we'll do that for you. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there is anything that you're not sure about, please give DIYBlinds a call before going any further.